Today, we are happy to introduce two customers of Soontrue, Mr. Mustafa and Mr. Rami. Mr. Rami is the manager of company. Mr. Mustafa is the sales engineer. He has lots of experience of Soontrue machine maintenance in Middle East. Then we will let them comment on Soontrue.
Salamun alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Can you say something about the Soontrue and the Soontrue machines?
Yes, of course. I would like to say Soontrue company is the most professional company I have ever seen in China. It has more than 30 years history and experience with the best reputation which you can trust. Soontrue company machinery is really easy to operate. Always you act on the most efficient after-sales service. We appreciate it a lot. I would like to comment on some of the most impressive Soontrue company machinery. For the first machinery, I need to mention two complete facial tissue converting and packing machine. Here let's see the most popular single packing machine. It's very famous in the Middle East. It's running very stable. The max speed can reach 230 bags per minute. Wow, it's really amazing. No wonder you have the biggest market share. For the secondary machine, I need to mention two button pulling packing machine. It's very popular in China for 2 years. It may has the market in the Middle East also. Why? You can see the products. It can use for toilet roll. It can use for napkins. It can use for facial tissue. Do you like it? For the sales machinery, I need to mention is robot case packing line. It's widely used in China. It's really surprised me. But in the Middle East, may has many customers which consider it in the future. Actually, I know Soontrue company is professional in all kind of tissue related converting and packing equipment. I hope all the best for my friends in Soontrue and also Soontrue company.